Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look at the updates for Polygon. POL, Matic, previous sticker, and unfortunately the global charts since listing in April 19 stop showing the data since October 25. That's why, guys, we can't analyze the current data on indicators of global picture, but remember this zone. So it's 24.10 and the 5 cents. Now it's a zone of accumulation. Now let's go back to the just the current one on a Binance, and 24 and the 5 cents. So the 5 cents can be here, and it's more than real to reach even that target, like a 50% drop. Yes, it sounds even unrealistic one. How? Even impossible. So we can drop the 50% from current prices. But guys, take a look. The recent weeks, the middle of January, we already dumped at 50%. Guys, why we can't drop even from now to 5 cents, for example, another 50%. After that, another 50% and another 50%. Today, I made a post about the AVAX, and I've been surprised with the crazy daily active users on the AVAX chain, and I double check the Polygon. And I'm also being surprised because here, just in January, this is a global, last 3 years period. The biggest daily active users being like 1.3 million, December 25. And take a look. I've been surprised, but Polygon daily active users returning 398K. So now going back and compare, for example, the fresh super token like a Starknet, Athena, and many others. They're just a brand new one with the crazy marketing. Nobody use it. But POL, even the people say the POL is that, right? Take a look. This is an active user, so the people use it. So new users, daily active users, new one. It's 100K 16. So it's kind of good one. And this is Sibyl detections. Here. The blue one is Sibyl users, so 54K, 55. But it's non-Sibyl, 461K. So it's good one. It's good one. Of course, now the Polygon technically underrated, right? But same time, there is a lot of transactions, so the people use it. Of course, it's not like in Zone 23, but still a lot of people use the Polygon, for transactions, right? So, and here, the Polygon generated fees more than, let's say, more than Avalanche even, So I think that like a blockchain is pretty useful and stable, right? So, and it attractive for the users. But unfortunately, like I explained it before, if somebody use the blockchain of some token, not like that one. No, if somebody use the blockchain of some project, it doesn't mean that price of the token should skyrocket. So that's a big difference, right? When the people try thinking, oh, if there is a lot of users, it means the price of the token should skyrocket. No, it doesn't work like this one. So capitulation, guys, and crash, it's more than real to see even to 5 cents. So just in case, if you're not ready to see the 50% of your spot portfolio losses, just don't touch the POL token. Now let's take a look with ADZ direction indicators. So this is a accumulation based on the direction indicator, and we form it there. This one, the variance on a weekly is bullish. No signal on the direction. Yet it's bullish accumulation zone on ADZ on a daily, on a weekly, direction accumulation on the daily, but no signal for accumulation on the weekly. I think we're going to test now the buy line. It's 8 cents 68. That's why in February, no rush, at least in the first half of February, no rush with a long position. Some long position you can try catch at 8 cents 68 the buy line. For the meanwhile of the POL now on a daily, 6 cents 43. 12-hour time frame, here's a test like 8.29. I'm gonna add alert to the buy line on 12-hour time frame, not on the daily. So not buy line, this one. So maybe we will see this test really soon. And sometimes even if you won't believe it will happen, usually it's happening. So this is accumulation, on 12 time frame on a daily. So everything okay. So just matter of time, I guess, when we drop to 8 cents, first say, and I wish to see the 5, of course. 12 time frame, disbelief. Daily time frame, disbelief. We can close. By the way, here's a take profit line, 17 cents 22. Weekly time frame, unfortunately, there is no data, for the take profit indicator because it's just a brand new new ticker, not a token, just a brand new ticker. That's why the charts from September 2024 not showing us the data for take profit indicator. All right, market smooth. This one, it's disbelief, total disbelief on the weekly. So locally, I showed you we're more than okay to try open long position and trade on is here. At 12 time frame, sell, take profit, buy. I wish to see another dump and the signal to buy. And let's add alert to take profit from that sale. That's why, guys, no rush. No rush, you will have a time, and most likely we will see the take profit signal like it was here. That time, even if it looks unrealistic one. So here's a sell, buy, take profit from buy, sell, buy back, everything showing us we have to skyrocket to the moon. But after that, the Donald Trump dumped the market and we see the signal take profit. That's why the same story now. This was a take profit from the buys, sell, buy back, and the history pretty similar. That's why just wait the signal to take profit from the sell and wait. And after that, you can make a decision to buy or not. Money power, guys, yes, daily, I guess they will accumulate this token, and I hope everything will be okay with the POL. Some accumulation was here in November, 1, 2, 3. So whole November, they were accumulated, but maybe it was a pump. So now, nothing, no new money inflow into POL. But like you can see by metrics, everything okay, more than okay. But keep in mind, 50% is more than real to see if the POL will drop to the zone of interest what a market in zone 23, the 27 block. We can dump to 5 cents, like 27 level. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a POL. If you'd like to trade with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.